Okay, now for the final part, part 4. And I'm going to go ahead and click on the link. Okay, and then there's a search bar up here where you enter the city that we're looking for. And you can see I've typed this before, but you do want to enter the city and the country. And sometimes it will come up with several different options. Pick the one that's the closest. So for us, it will be the bottom one. Okay, it's going to give you all kinds of weather information. What we're going to look at though is this top grid right here. That's the average temperature monthly. And if you look over here on the right hand side, you can see the temperatures are in Fahrenheit. We'll simply keep that at the default. Notice this is by month, not by specific days. So for June 21st, we'll just go to June. And for Santiago on your paper for June 21st, you will write down 48 degrees. So go ahead and write that down now. And then for September 22nd, write down 53 degrees. And then you can see on their first day of summer in December, the average is around 67 degrees. And then for March, right here it is 65 degrees. Okie dokie. Once you have all of the data complete for all 5 cities, then you're going to be ready to construct a graph of your data. When you look at that final page in your packet, it says you will be constructing a line graph. You will have a total of 5 lines, 1 line for each city. You'll make a key and kind of color code it. Use a different color for each city, and you'll need to label both the X and the Y axis. Just a little hint to get you started. For your X axis, which is the one at the bottom, you're going to label that with the dates, June 21st, September 22nd, December 21st, and March 21st. So you put the dates at the bottom. And then on the Y-axis, on the left-hand side, that's where you're going to put the temperature, Fahrenheit, and you'll need to figure out how to set your intervals up. Just keep in mind you want to make your line graph as spread apart as you can. And then basically you'll plot your points and connect them for 5 lines. That one's a little more difficult to explain through a video. However, I will be back to school hopefully on Tuesday, and if you need some help with that, feel free to swing by, or you can ask in class the next time you see me. The final thing, and I'm going to go ahead and X out of this, is you can see back in Haiku underneath the 4 links is some more directions. It says on the back of your paper, don't forget to write a paragraph explaining at least 3 things you learned from this activity. This should be written in paragraph form using complete sentences. So then you're going to analyze your data, try to make some conclusions based upon what the data is telling you, and write a paragraph telling me 3 things that the data is teaching you. Okay? Hopefully you'll find this activity interesting and learn some neat things. I guess that's all I have to say, and hopefully you guys have a great day today. See you soon.